So good morning. So today topic groups. So fourth semester groups and rings. Groups total three part concept and rings also. So main each and definition is important in groups. That is definition you can daily preparation of and also own thinking. This is when given example and also definition. This example must satisfy definition or not. That is very important. Today main definition binary operations. So what is binary operation means you can select one function and also one non-empty set. SBA non-empty set means you can select some elements A, B, C, small a, small b, small c belongs to capital S. So this is domain. This is codomain. Domain is function where to where defined S cross S to S. S cross S. S cross S means pair of elements. A comma B belongs to S cross S. This is pair of elements which belongs to S cross S. This is domain. Codomain same. SBA non. This is single set. This is a S cross S set. Means you can select a pair of elements. This function S cross S to S satisfies conditions. This F is called a binary operation. What it means? What is pair of elements? A comma B must belongs to S cross S. This is image f of a comma b must equal to c value. Means this c value including s and ab also including s. So you can select elements a comma b comma c. Any binary operation you can apply to elements. That result is must belongs to same set form. Then satisfy the binary operation condition. Otherwise not satisfied. SB non-empty set. This is S, this is S and this is also X. This is set form S, same elements, consider A, B, C. So A comma belongs to, you can pair of elements belongs to S cross S and you can apply the function f of A comma B belongs to C. Means C value belongs to S and A value belongs to S and B value belongs to S. This is unique value. So F is called a binary operation. This is an example plus. Plus where to where n cross n to n. N be a set of all natural numbers. N is equal to 1, 2, 3. So plus is binary operation or not? You can check up the definition. N cross S means pair of elements A comma B belongs to N cross S. And this side natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 1. I am taking A equal to 1, B equal to 1. 1 comma pair of elements. So plus is the binary operation. A plus B equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is 2 is belongs to N and 1 is also belongs to capital. So satisfy this condition. Plus is the binary operation, satisfy the set form N. So this is the process. That is I am selected capital equal to A comma B comma C. This is 3 elements. It belongs to N. And you can apply the binary operation. What is plus symbol? So 1 plus 1 equal to. So 2 is belongs to N and 1 is belongs to N and 1 is belongs to N. So some important binary operation symbols plus, minus, cross, and in multiplication, circle also multiplication, star also multiplication. This is it. Or total symbols is called a binary operation symbols. Divided symbol is not selected binary operation because infinity value is not decided in the set form. So divided not you can take it. Only binary operation plus, minus, cross. This is also circle, nothing but multiplication, star also multiplication and dot. Dot also multiplication. So those are called binary operation symbols. So I am selected minus. Minus is binary operation or not in N. So example A equal to 1, B equal to 2. So what happened? A minus B equal to 1 minus 2. What is? Minus modular. This is not belongs to natural number set form. So minus is not a binary operation in the set form N. But plus is called a binary operation in the set form N. So this is a binary operation definition. Most important is symbols. So plus, minus, multiplication, and closure, circle, and star. This is also binary operations. Next to some properties: closure law, associative law, identity law, inverse law, and also commutative law. First, today discuss the closure property. So what is closure property means? You can select N be a non-empty set. So closure law places a binary operation. Closure law means A plus B. This is a closure property. A comma B must belongs to N, and A plus B also is belongs to N. This is A comma B belongs to N. This implies A plus B must belongs to N. So this is a binary operation, and this is closure law. A plus B belongs to N. So next we can select another set form. Real numbers, integers, rationals, complex numbers, and this is also set form and places a binary operation. This places a binary operation satisfied or not set forms real numbers, integers, rationals, complex numbers. So all conditions, real numbers also, Z also, Q also, C also must to satisfy the binary operation symbols. What is plus? You can select two elements, real number set forms, and applying the plus condition. So A plus B, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 belongs to real numbers. Next A is equal to root 2. Next B is equal to root 2. So A plus B, root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 2 root 2. It belongs to real numbers. So binary operation is satisfied set form R and also Z and also Q and also complex numbers. So some important definitions, very important on binary operation. Next, closure property, associative property. So closure property means S be a non-empty set. You can select A comma B belongs to S. This implies plus B binary operation. A plus B must belong to S. This is a closure law. Next, associative law. Associative law. What is associative law means? What is binary operation? Plus means A plus B of plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C. This is called a associative law or associative property. So these two properties, closure and associative. I am selected N, set of all natural numbers. These two properties are satisfied or not with respect to what is binary operation plus. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 must belongs to N. 1 2 3 belongs to N. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. First, closure property. What is closure property? A plus B. So plus A binary operation. You can take circle A, circle B. You can take star binary operation A star B. So this is binary operation important. First closure property, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 belongs to N. Closure law satisfied. Associative. Associative, what is A plus B of plus C? LHS is equal to RHS. LHS you can select it. LHS term A plus B plus C. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. LHS equal to 6. This belongs to N. Next, RHS. RHS is equal to A plus of B plus C. 1 plus of 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 5. 1 plus 5 6. This belongs to N. So closure property is satisfied. First one, closure law. Second one, associative. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. What is binary operation? Plus. So this is with respect to plus, satisfy two conditions, closure and associative. Which set form? N. So today homework, you can take elements in Z and also Q and also W and also R and also set of all complex numbers A plus IB. A comma belongs to R, I square equal to minus 1. So you can check up the condition. Any element you can select it. Closure associated satisfy the set form Z or not. and Q and W and R. What is two laws? Closure law and associative. Closure law means A plus B, and associative law A plus B of plus C equal to A plus of B plus C. This is two conditions. You can check now. Set from this one Z, Q, W and real numbers. Complex I will discuss today. So this is binary operation definition is important, and also closure law, associative law. These definitions you can practice, and very important is the binary operation definition also, closure and associative law. Okay.